Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
U.S. Treasury yields hit 2.5-year highs while oil prices fell as investors weighed positive comments from ceasefire talks between Russia and Ukraine alongside expectations of the first rate hike by the Fed. Stripe has re-entered the digital currency space, launching a crypto toolkit of APIs and separately partnering with crypto exchange FTX. Tencent Holdings Limited faces a record fine after China's central bank discovered its WeChat Pay had violated anti-money laundering rules.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 00:00 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0700 GMT. The U.S. Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting will be released at 0700 GMT. Japan's imports at 2350 GMT. Japan's exports at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.